All right, I've been reading a lot on NotebookLM and how it can be used for multiple different purposes, and decided to actually give it a go. So I'm here right now on the main website, NotebookLM, and by the initial looks of it, I think this is RAG on steroids. But yeah, and as I see, it is powered by Gemini 1.5. So hopefully it understands graphs and diagrams. I'm not so sure. We might actually have to check it out. But yeah, the most important feature I think for me is the power steady here, right over here, because what I think is if I upload, say, medical research or any research paper, be it an article, be it a magazine article, or even a link, probably it will help me condense that subject or topic into small snippets of data and perhaps make learning faster. So yeah, let's give it a try, and I will log in through my Google account. I don't see pricing anywhere. No, they haven't given the pricing as of yet. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we go. All right, let's create our first note. Okay, so what we can do is we can upload either from Google Drive, or we can give it a link, or paste certain text. As of now, the source limit I think is 50 documents. I don't know how large these documents can be or what is the context length, but we'll figure it out as we go. Let me just copy paste my website here. Okay. That's a very nice snippet. And I really wanted to try this conversation, deep dive conversation, two hosts. I don't want to make it into a podcast, rather a summary. So things to focus on. Okay, I can't change the AI hosts. No problem. I'll just use generate. This may take a few minutes.
Okay, so anyone else feeling like they're kind of drowning in information these days?
Oh, yeah. Know what you mean.
I mean, seriously, it's everywhere you turn.
It is.
You got news feeds and articles and podcasts. It just never ends.
It really doesn't.
Which I realize is a little ironic.
Yeah.
Us adding another podcast to the mix.
Right.
But trust me on this one.
Okay.
This deep dive is all about helping us learn to swim.
Okay.
Not sink.
I like that.
So we are going to be tackling the work of Dr. Ameya Kale.
Oh, very cool.
He is like the guru of information management.
I've heard of him.
And specifically, we're going to be looking at his book.
All right.
Overcome Information Overload.
Very appropriate.
So get ready, folks.
I'm ready.
Because we're going to learn how to actually absorb what matters.
Let's do it.
All right. So, one of the things that I found so fascinating about Dr. Kale's work is how he really zeroes in on this thing that I think we all struggle with.
Yeah, for sure.
Which is, how to actually be mindful about the information that we're taking.
Mindful consumption, I think he calls it.
Yeah, mindful consumption.
Which sounds a little
zen.
A little zen, don't you think?
For this always on world that we live in.
Yeah, totally.
I mean, it's so true though.
It is.
It's like we're not just, grabbing whatever information snack pops up.
Right.
It's
not like
I can devour a bag of chips mindlessly.
Exactly.
But I don't want to approach learning that way.
Exactly. He's saying we need to be picky eaters.
Picky eaters.
When it comes to information.
Love it.
So it's about shifting from that passive scrolling that we all do.
Yes.
To actively choosing what we consume.
Okay, so active, not passive. Got it.
And he even suggests that we create a whitelist.
A whitelist.
A whitelist of trusted sources.
Okay.
And stick it.
What I'll do is I'll upload this entire conversation as a separate video. But for now, I think this is extremely fascinating. Wow. Okay. I have just heard about 1 minute, about 2 minutes of this audio, and so far it's interesting. Let me just put it that way. let me know if you want me to check anything specifically with NotebookLM. I think as of now, they haven't put out the pricing plans because they want you to get used to this, and then possibly they will enlist the pricing plans for NotebookLM. I think that's a fair strategy because this is a really powerful tool. So yeah, see you next time.